Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie, aka Natoshi. In today's episode, we're focusing on BTC and on Ethereum. And what's happening at the moment on both of the pairs is that we are retesting the previous resistance that we did break before. But at the moment, we are below the resistance, which means that the market can actually reverse from the level that we're at right now. Of course, two scenarios can happen. We'll either see the market break above 23.9k created as a higher low level, continue up, or we'll see how the market slowly instead of reverse down from here and potentially take us back down to 20.4k, because this is the higher time frames level the market on BTC just might have to drop down to and retest before we potentially have a continuation to the upside. Don't forget, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you in detail of what could potentially happen from the resistance that we have on both BTC and Ethereum right now. And if you are someone that wants to trade cryptocurrencies on an amazing platform, then you should do as I do. I am trading my cryptocurrencies on BYBIT, which you can also receive a bonus right now up to $30,030 by using the link in the description down below the video. So you just scroll down on this video and you will find the link to the platform. This is how it looks when you are inside the platform. You choose what leverage you want to have, because this is a leverage trading platform, and if you're looking to the left, you can see exactly what type of pairs that you want to trade on. But the other good thing when it comes to BYBIT is that you have low fees when you're holding your positions for a longer time, and you have zero fees when it comes to spot pairs. So amazing platform for you to trade on. I have the link in the description down below my video. You also got it right here in the corner, and this is of course also how you are supporting me and my channel, so I am always available for you. And now let's get into the chart. So I have already all of the things on the chart since we had a live stream earlier today, and on the weekly, when we're looking at BTC, we saw the breakout candle above 23,300 to 400, and after the breakout candle, this weekly candlestick that's going to close now in a couple of hours, we are retesting the resistance from above. Now if we go down to the lower time frames, this is the most important thing that we're looking at the moment. Looking at the daily chart, you can see how the market is starting to get more bullish, and on the live stream that we did have, we spoke about this level that we are supposed to reach, that is between 23.67k and 23.9k, and this is exactly what is happening at the moment. Market created a support at 23k. Now we are starting to reverse back up based on that. On the 4-hourly, first of all, we have the Fibonacci level when we drag the fib from the last lower high with the lower low, which gives me the box that I just spoke about. And this is where we want to see, because remember on the weekly chart, we are retesting this resistance. Now we have to make sure that we're not getting faked out around this level, and that's why when we were on this live stream earlier today, we spoke about that if the market continues up to this level around 23.9k, this is also where we can expect the market to give us a potential drop now, based on that we are below the resistance once again. But if the market would have the power to break above 23.9k, then we have to start to look at the chart in a little bit of a different way now, because if that is the case, then we have more bullish momentum happening. So when the market, or now if the market, but with high probability, we will actually see this happening, if the market tries to break above it the same way that we're looking at this resistance right here, and on the weekly chart we want to see if this is a fake out or not. This is the exact same thing happening around the 61.8%, is that if we see that the market pull back up to this level, we want to make sure that we are not getting faked out, because sometimes the market can break above the Fibonacci level, then break below it, create a second leg, and that is usually the confirmation that the market is actually reversing from this level. So at the moment we are facing the resistance that we have, and I would look at 23.9k to see if the market's going to break above it, and around here I want to see if the market's creating a higher low around this level and then continues to the upside, or if this is the fake out that we have and we are continuing back down. So also what I spoke about on the live stream is that we just might potentially reach 20.4k too, and the reason why this can potentially happen now is because if we're looking at the overall perspective on BTC, we are using the fib also from the last low that we did have, and that is around 16.2k, combined with the high, which gives us the fib level at 20.4k. And why this is also important for us to understand why this could potentially happen. Now it doesn't have to, but this is the previous support that we have before the fake out, and usually what the market is doing is retesting that level once again. But this does not have to happen. We will see on the lower time frames if we are even reaching these levels, right? Because as I said, it is around here. We want to see if this is going to be a breakout retest continuation to the upside, or if this will actually be where the market is giving you the lower high continuing down, because we just might need to reach certain targets based on the higher time frame structure. When the market has been reaching those higher time frame prices where the market has to come to before we potentially see the next movement to the upside. I totally forgot what I was supposed to say, but I guess it was something smart. And if you are not following me on my Twitter account, I suggest that you're doing it right now. Why? Because I give you daily updates about cryptocurrencies. I give you also when I'm going on live streams, etc. But what I spoke about on today when it came to Ethereum is that overall we are consolidating. We are bouncing in between 1.6 and 1.5, and Ethereum is still consolidating, and we have to wait for the real breakout from either the support or the resistance. So make sure to follow me on my Twitter. You have the link right here above, so you can just press that button, and then when we are hitting 600 followers, then we're gonna have Twitter spaces where we can chit and chat with each other on Twitter, which is really fun because then you can also talk to me and I can talk to you, which is amazing because we usually just talk through YouTube, right? So make sure to follow me on my Twitter. I would be super happy if you do that. Okay, but as we spoke about on Twitter, now you can see how the market is giving us a little push to the upside at the moment. So basically what I would do, I would use the Fibonacci from the last high to the low that we have. And if we just go down to the 4 hourly once again, the most important level that we have at the moment is between 1,643 and 1,660. So around this, the same thing as on BTC, because you can see how we're heading up to the resistance once again. So we will either see how the market have the power to break above this level created as a higher low and then finally break this consolidation market that we all are waiting for, right? But you can also see how the market potentially can come to these levels only to retest the resistance, because remember, we didn't have the market giving us a fake out from this resistance once again, and we just might see another retest before the market continues to drop. Whether that's gonna break 1,500, we do not know. We need to focus on what's happening at the moment right here. So same thing as on BTC, we'll either see the market give us a breakout retest, or this will be where the market could potentially take us back down. Now I know the market goes up, the market goes down. Yes, we all know the game, the rules when it comes to trading. But the most important thing is that we need to understand from where can these potential things happen. So this is the levels that I'm looking at when it comes to both BTC and on Ethereum. Thank you each and everyone for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification so you know when I am live next time and when I do have my daily updates. Until then, I wish everyone a fantastic day. Hope you liked the video. Toodles! Have a good day, everyone.